Okay, so what were you guys experiencing before you came in the office?
With Luke, we were experiencing he wouldn't breastfeed, and then you adjusted him on the back of his neck, and then he would stay latched on and breastfeed better.
Awesome. And and then what's the other little guy?
Sam.
Sam, how is he doing?
He is doing much better since you've adjusted his leg. His foot no longer turns in as far, and he no longer trips as much as he did before. But he's 2, so.
Awesome. And what would you tell somebody who is looking for a chiropractic, maybe for some of those reasons as well?
I would tell them go for it. Definitely go in and get evaluated and see if there's any way that they can be helped with it. I do believe in the practice.
Awesome.